Hello guys, Harry from Harry Tech back with another video on how to create a free website or a free store I should say for your online e-commerce business. A lot of people actually tend to create stores but they don't have the budget, for example, to opt for Shopify plan or WooCommerce plan, which are somewhat expensive, and for starters or people that just want to kickstart that business, they cannot afford it. So today we're gonna take a look at a website called Select, and I'm gonna be walking you through the ins and outs of making a full website. So make sure to stick through this whole video. I'm gonna show you how to create the front end, the back end, how to manage your payment information, and all that good stuff. But before we jump into this video, as usual, please drop a like, leave a comment, so that can boost the algorithm and so I can put more good video for you guys. Also, if you want to take or learn or read more articles about other ways to make money online, you can also check our website. The link will be in the description down below. First thing first, you need to create an account on Select. Just click on get started like here, and it will take you to the sign up page. Just fill in the info right here. You're gonna put your email, the store name. Just put your store name here. For example, let's type in plushie, for example, or something, plushie.myselect.io. that will be your store URL. That way everyone that pays or click on this URL will access your website. And here, put in your password. It's just that simple. And if you don't want to go through this hassle, you can log in with your Google account, and that's what we need to do. Let's log in with my account. Once you log in into your newly created account, this should be the dashboard of Select. Before we get to setting up the whole store, I'm gonna just show you like a quick example that I made before this video. I made a store on Select and I need to show you how that looked. So this will be the back end of our store. This is where we manage things like payments, as you can see, branding, products, all that good stuff. But let's see the front end of the website, or like our shop, and this is what you are looking at. Like, it's just a simple shop. You got your products, contact, feedback, terms, all that good stuff up here. You got the reviews and you got your products, and obviously you can sort these products by whatever categories you can put up here. Also, you got your contact info, so it's good for people that are just trying to kickstart, like I said, their e-commerce business. Once you get some money, you can expand to Shopify or WooCommerce. We'll have to take a look at those in a separate video. So we are back on the newly created account. Like I said, guys, when I showed you my store, that was my actually main account, but when you create an account, this should be the setup page. So first thing first, you will be prompted with this page. As you can see, you gotta set up your business logo. If you don't have a logo, obviously you're gonna go to Canva and create your own logo, guys. For the sake of this video, so we will not make it any longer, we're gonna choose any logo we have. We're gonna go for this one, for example, just for the sake of this video. Over here, you're gonna choose your currency. Obviously, if you wanna sell like accounts or sell goods in a certain currency, you can choose that currency from here. You got your business VAT or tax number or whatever. This actually is different from a country to another. You can look that up on Google and just set the percentage. Don't worry, if you don't want to set it from the get-go, you can always customize this one later on. Click on next step once you are done with this page. Then you got notifications. I obviously would put like notification for all of them. Personally, orders, you will get notification. Tickets, when somebody actually reaches out to you. Feedback, also ticket reply, all of that obviously. Then click on next step. Right here you can set up your payment method, guys, and one good thing about Select is that you can receive payment in crypto. So for like every starter, like I said, he or she can receive payments worldwide. So what you need to do is just go up to your Binance account, for example, and just fill in these details. For the sake of this video, I will just be using my Binance account to fill in this detail. You can use whatever platform you are comfortable with. I'll just use Binance, like I said. I'll just go to Asset, Spot, and just grab my addresses. So yeah, we got first of all, we got Litecoin address. So we're gonna grab the Litecoin. We're gonna click on deposit. and make sure you are choosing the right network, guys, so you will not run into trouble. Let's click on Litecoin like this and grab the address wallet like this and put it right here. We've got Bitcoin as well. We're gonna select Bitcoin, which is BTC. I'm gonna select the Bitcoin network, not any other network. Copy this one, put it right here, and do the same for Ethereum and BTC, obviously. So this is the Bitcoin. Gonna search Ethereum. And by the way, you can accept other payments, other form of payments like Visa and stuff. So don't worry, guys. We're gonna see that. Click on copy as well. Paste it right here. And Bitcoin Cash, which is BTCH, I suppose. Once you are done setting up your wallets like this, you can see at the bottom here the transaction threshold. You can accept payments even if you haven't received the full amount. Choose a percentage between 0 to 15. So if you did not get your percentage, you still would deliver the goods, whether that be digital or physical good, whatever you are selling. So you can set this one here, so you can deliver, like I said, the goods if you don't receive the payment. Let's put it at 15 like this, then click on next step, and we are in the last panel right here. And just from the drop down menu, select your country, the country that you are living in, your first name, last name, city, and fill in all of these stuff. Guys, then we will continue. And as you can see, it should say congratulations, you have successfully configured the basics of your shop. Go to dashboard. Let's click on that, and as you can see, guys, we are now in the dashboard or in the back end of our website. So for this tutorial, I will just stick to the main stuff that you need. So if you want to explore other features, you can do that on your own time. So the first thing that you need to do is actually set up credit card and PayPal payment. Click on enable like this, and it will take you to the PayPal and Stripe, obviously, like I said, even Cash App if you want to accept money from Cash App, Skrill, etc. Like, you got multiple payment options. All you need to do is just click on connect. It will redirect you to your Stripe account and basically link your Stripe with Celix. The same thing goes for PayPal and Cash App as well, guys. Just for Cash App, as you can see, you need to actually upgrade your plan, not the free plan, to use Cash App payment method. So you need to do this. This is for the payment. Like I said, you can accept all payments, crypto, visas, all of that good stuff. Once you do this, also you can enable the payments on all of the crypto. You can add, for example, USDC, Tron, etc. Like all of the crypto stuff. So this is for the payments. Guys. You can go to your branding. As you can see, they are just in order, and you have to go with that order to actually set up your store. First thing, you need to customize your theme. Click on customize. And as you can see, guys, we don't have any theme installed, so click on explore, and you have 2 themes to select from. You can buy other themes, obviously, but we just stick with this free theme that they should give you. Click on add, and it should get installed. Our theme has been created. Click on set as active like this, and it is now active, I suppose. So let's close this window right here, and as you can see, yes, it is active. So if we go to our store or shop from the drop down menu right here, you can see our store looking like this. It's empty, so we're going to show you how to add a bit of products right here, and how to add categories and stuff. So let's go back to the back end right here and just go to, first of all, products like this. And here you can add products that you want to sell. So the first thing what you need to do is just create a product like this, product title. So for the sake of this video, like I said, I'm just creating random stuff. You need to put some thoughts on this if you are trying to create a legit store and you're trying to build a brand. So for example, I'm just trying to do anything for the sake of this video. Let's put in Netflix accounts, for example. Although that does not, match our website name, but it's whatever. We are like selling Netflix accounts. Here we're gonna say this is the description and what the buyer has to read. These are, for example, shared accounts. You cannot change the password. Just like this, just something to, let's delete n like this. Just something, like I said, to clarify or give some insights about the product you are selling. And here you can upload an image of your product. Let's look for a Netflix account like this one, and then you can set up the pricing. For example, if you want it to be single payment, like one-time payment, you can select single payment. You can explore the second option. We're gonna stick with single payment, and for example, let's say it's $5. It's $5 for the Netflix account. And the minimum quantity, you can set up the quantity that you have of that product. Let's say, for example, I don't know, like we have 10. If you have like an unlimited stock, obviously gonna put it at 0. If you have a numbered or a limited quantity, you're gonna put the minimum quantity and the maximum quantity that you have. For example, we do have 100 in stock. For example, payment method. At this place, you're gonna check the payment method for this products, how the user or the buyer can check out. Let's put Stripe, PayPal, and other crypto options like this. Like I said, fill in the details of your payment information. Discord integration, you can integrate your Discord if you want to get in touch with your clients, and click on create product like this. And as you can see, guys, our product has been created like this. If we go to this product, or I should say our store, our shop, we're going to see our product showing up here. This is our product. If we click on it, you're going to see the details that we have put in the description. If we're gonna click on continue, as you can see, it will take us to the checkout page. So everything is working good, and this is how you can create products on Selix. If you want to organize your store, click on create categories like this and create categories. And as you can see, there are some categories you can put up. For example, let's see, let's create some categories. Let's say streaming services, for example, and put the product that we just put in. That would be Netflix accounts. The group, we don't have any group. Let's leave it at that, and create the priority, or leave it to 1, and create a category like this. And we just have created our first category. You can put in, for example, another category which should be VPN accounts, for example, and you can select your products from the drop down menu, and add this this category. If we go to our shop, back again, click on plushies like this to the main menu. As you can see, the categories tab has been added. So if somebody filters our products, he can see our products. So this is how you can add categories, ladies and gentlemen, to your store. You can also go to groups and expand. If you are selling a bundle, for example, you can create a group and group up a bunch of other products and sell them like I said, in a bundle or like in a group. So that way you can ease up the search process for your users. This is something that I had to point out. You got upselling here. If you are also giving other stuff, as you can see, you have no bundles. If you have some upsells that you want to add in later on, you can create your bundles. Also, you got add-ons here. You can create add-ons. What add-on means, if you are providing a service like a counseling service or like a one-on-one coaching and some other stuff, you can charge more basically for your products that you are selling. So this is what add-on means. You can put in, like I said, the service or the extra service that you're providing. Like I said here, like 30 days support, for example, and you can set the price that you charge for that one service. You got YouTube right here. If you are selling bulk products, for example, if I was selling multiple accounts or like bulk accounts of Netflix or Spotify or Hulu, whatever, I just come here and just select the product. And let's say, for example, I do have like I said, 1,000 or like, I don't know, 10,000 of those. And the delivery text, if somebody actually check out, that number of accounts, for example, like 1,000 accounts from my store, I can, put up like a delivery text, a special one. And if I do give a warranty or not, we can, adjust that here. And as for these, you can leave them blank like this. This would not matter. This is just, a feature that is decent on this platform. You got coupons also if you're trying to promote or sell your products faster. Obviously, if you're trying to market your store, you can set up some coupons for your audience. For example, you can put in some codes right here, the number of users of this coupon, obviously, and select the product that you want to use this coupon with, and the percentage. As you can see, you can drag the slider and obviously click on save. This way you can share this coupon with your audience and give them a discount on the products that you are selling. Before we go to analytics and just finish up with this tutorial, there is something I should highlight, which is, like I said, finishing up these steps, guys. You need to actually finish up these steps so you can set up your store properly, set up your branding, create product. We did that. You can create the coupon. We just touched on that. You can invite your team members if you do, want to add multiple accounts or multiple managers to your store. You can do so. Just give them an invite and they can have access to your store and manage the store with you. And the lastly and the most important thing that you can do on this tab is just secure your account and your store, enable 2FA and OTP, obviously, so your store won't be hacked or anything of that. So let's touch down on the last things that we need to talk about, which is analytics. Here at stats, you can see your revenue, orders, visits, customers, subscription, trials, tickets, like all that good stuff that you need to be seen as a manager. As you can see the details of the store visits, the products that has been purchased by your users, all that good stuff. Like I said, sales, conversion rates down here, all that stuff that you need to know about your store is analytics. You can see your reports from a month to month. You can set up a report that gets made up to you, or gets made to you, I should say, by Selex and sent to you via email, or you can find it in your dashboard right here. As for your customers, you can see the number of customers, the total customers, new customers, recurring customers, and the subscription customers. All of that can be monitored and tracked from here. Also, you got an affiliate program if you want to create your affiliate program. If somebody shares, the links to your store, you can give them a little kickback, so that way you can get more sales. Also here down below, you can see the tickets. If somebody want to create a ticket, or if they have like a problem, you got your feedbacks. If somebody purchased from you and leave a review or a feedback, appeals if there is like something wrong with their product. As you can see, you need the business plan to use this feature, but these the most important, which is tickets and feedbacks. So this is it for the first video, guys. If you want to see the next chapter, leave it down in the comments and I will gladly create a second part about Selex and show you the full product, like I said, what I showed you with my other store. If you have any inquiries or questions about anything that you want to ask me, you can reach out to me via my socials. I will leave the link to them down below. Take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next one.